Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest update. This is the latest analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, May 8 to 10, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Now College Foundation, about this Power Bank of the Philippine Islands, and the Avenue Plaza Hotel. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. As you can see, the two low pressure areas, 93W, which was once here to the west of Palawan, and 95W over Palau, has dissipated into surface troughs. So these are just elongated area of lower pressures, and it's no longer expected to regain back into a low pressure area. So these are just clusters of thunderstorms embedded within the surface troughs. Meanwhile, during the afternoon or evening, we expect increasing thunderstorm activity every day across the Philippine Islands, as you can see here in circular reds. So these are localized thunderstorms which develop during the afternoon of Monday, and some of these are very intense. Right here in Naga City, we experience 200 millimeter per hour rain rate for just 30 to 45 minutes. So that's how fast, how heavy this thunderstorm activity is occurring right now across the Philippine Islands. Just take note that the post effects of La Nina will still continue through May, through this month, and until the end of until June. So it will coincide with the start. It will coincide with the start of the wet season or rainy season across the Philippine Islands. As you can clearly see here, we have already a start of the very weak southwesterly wind flow, but we still have some temporary or off-season northeasterly wind flow, which is expected to dig down across northern and eastern Luzon within the next 2 days. So it's now affecting extreme northern Luzon with freezing conditions and some rain showers, and it interacts with some, and this cool northeasterlies is are interacting with the terrain of Luzon, which is developing more thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. So please take all necessary precautions for possible medium to high risk of flooding and landslide during the event of these localized thunderstorms. And outside of PAR, it's so clear until up to the Marshall Islands. There is a surface trough here, but nothing to worry. Computer models are not expecting any tropical formation for the next 10 days. So that's the latest from our GovSat. And if we take a look at the fast animation, you can clearly see here the pulsating thunderstorms in the afternoon and dissipating during the evening. And if we take a look at the zoom in silent animation, you can clearly see here the very strong and thick thunderstorms developing over 3/4 of central and northern Luzon, and it includes Metro Manila, while the rest of the Philippine Islands are already seeing some dissipating thunderstorm activity. Okay, and if we take a look at the wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days, Tuesday afternoon or tomorrow afternoon, we could expect the northeasterly wind flow to reach northern and eastern Luzon. So expect some possible thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening as the cool northeasterlies collides with the warm tropical air, okay, which is coming from the east and southeast, but actually it's currently variable during the past few days. And if we move into Wednesday afternoon, the northeasterly wind flow will continue to prevail across northern and eastern Luzon, including Calabarzon and portions of Bicol region, while the rest of the country will remain hot and dry with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. Thursday afternoon, The northeasterlies will still prevail across northern and eastern Luzon, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain calm to variable winds. Now let's take a look at the rain and pressure forecast. Now let's take a look at the rain forecast from the European model. This is from the windy.com servers. And tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, we expect more thunderstorms to occur across central and southern Luzon, including Metro Manila, southern Tagalog provinces. The rest of the archipelago will have isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in a moderate or low intensity. And Wednesday afternoon, we expect more thunderstorms to occur across northern and central Luzon and Mindoro, and also portions of Mindanao. While on Thursday afternoon, there is a possibility of the thunderstorm shifting over the Bicol region, including Masbate. And this is likely a diffused shoreline, which could generate thunderstorms over the Bicol region. Also across Zamboanga, also across Zambales Mountains and some portions of central and southern Luzon, including Metro Manila, Mindoro, could see some possible thunderstorms during the afternoon of Thursday, May 11th. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Monday, a new week, okay? And we will return in the middle of this week from Typhoon2000. This is Mike Padua saying good night to all. Stay safe always. Have a great week ahead. And see you again in the next couple of days. Thank you so much for watching our channel.